Hello po, ayan, under collaboration and hopefully guys can be with you tonight guys and can be with you today for these collaborations po. Ayan, salamat po. Sana po magustuhan nyo guys. Come on. I would live with you for just a little while.
But I love you the same way I love you now.
And I'm sorry I can't be with you tonight.
So I want to hold you in my arms tonight.
I'll put it tight, just 'cause it won't be right.
Maybe we met again some other time.
This tonight,
I only share my life with you.
hey Mom, so please understand my situation. I love you, but I cannot be with you.
If I could be in the places at the same time, I would share my love with you.
Ayan, thank you so much guys. Salamat po. Hey, Paul. So